Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can place overlay underneath a subject but over a background in CapCut PC. So just copy and paste this video right here. On the second one, I'm just going to select video and I'm going to select cutout, and I will just select auto cutout. Once that's done, you're going to place the overlay underneath the subject here. I'm just going to let that slide, but you're going to just go to blend mode, and I'm going to select the screen one because I only want the white dots. As you can see from the back, you'll be able to see a little bit. Maybe I'll find something a little bit more visible. Like so. And that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!